Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video, I will be showing you guys how to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. Google Family Link is a powerful tool that allows parents and guardians to manage and monitor their child's digital activities, ensuring a safe and healthy online experience. So here I will walk you through some steps. Let's get into the video. First, download Google Family Link. Start by opening your browser and on the search bar, search for Google Family Link. Here now, install the app. Sign in, entering your Google account. Tap on the option. After you have signed in, right under your profile name, you will have send invitations. Tap on it, and from there, you can send an invitation to whom you want to monitor. Now tap on got it. And that's it. This is how you set up Google Family Link on iPhone. With the powerful tools and controls at your fingertips, you can ensure your child's online experience is safe, positive, and enjoyable. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tips on parenting in digital age. Thank you for watching.